I'm glad you're here. At the very start of the day. Before anything has happened yet. You don't have to go anywhere. You don't have to do anything. For these few moments, you have only one task: to be here. Find a position where you can rest. Sitting or lying down. However is comfortable. Let the body settle. And if you'd like, allow your eyes to close. The first breath, without changing anything. Simply notice that you are breathing. Let's begin with the breath. You don't have to breathe in any special way. Your body already knows how. Just notice the air coming in and the air going out. Maybe you feel it cool as you breathe in. And warm as you breathe out. Now take one deeper breath. In through the nose. And a slow breath out. And now, let the breath return to its own natural rhythm. Control nothing. Notice the points where you are resting. Feel that support holding you. Soften your shoulders. Soften your jaw. Soften your hands. Feel the whole body at once. As one breathing presence. Today has one theme: being here. It sounds simple, and yet for most of our lives we are somewhere else. The mind runs ahead to what needs to be done, or back to what has already passed. And in all that running, we miss the only place where life is actually happening. That place is now. The past exists only as a thought. The future exists only as a thought. The only thing that ever truly happens here, in this moment. This breath, this sound, this heartbeat, all of it is happening now. And there is great relief in that. You don't have to carry the whole day in this one moment. You only have this breath, and then the next. Beneath the noise of thinking, there is something that was here from the start. Quiet, calm, present. And you are that too. Let's make this a practice for today. Through the day, whenever you remember, come back to a single breath. Just one. One conscious breath that says, I am here. It's like an anchor. The day will pull you forward, and now and then you drop the anchor and return to now. And now, set an intention for today. Not a grand resolution, just a quiet direction. Today, I will keep returning to this moment. Today I will let myself be where I am. Feel that intention settle into you without strain, without force. Slowly, we'll begin to return. Notice that the presence you feel now will not leave. It comes with you. Gently move the fingers of your hands and your toes. Take a deeper breath. And when you're ready, with no hurry, allow your eyes to open. Look at the world around you, as if you were seeing it for the first time. You have the whole day ahead. You don't have to live it all at once. Just moment by moment, breath by breath. And wherever you are today, remember you can come back here. One breath is enough. Have a good day. Have a good day.